In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted contacts in HubSpot, a valuable skill for anyone managing customer relationships using this platform. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you can recover any important contacts that might have been accidentally deleted. So let's dive right in. First, we'll begin at the HubSpot homepage. Go ahead and launch your web browser and navigate to hubspot.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. Locate and click on the Login button, generally found at the top right corner of the page. Type in your login credentials and submit them. This step will take you to the HubSpot Home dashboard, which serves as the central hub for all your activities within the platform. After successfully logging in, you should be directed to the HubSpot Home. From here, the next step is to access the CRM, which is the section of HubSpot where you manage your contacts. Look for the CRM option in the main navigation bar and click on it. This will take you to the CRM dashboard, giving you access to various contact management features. Once inside the CRM, locate and click on Contacts in the sidebar. This section holds all your stored contact information, organized for easy access and management. At this stage, you'll be able to look through the available records. However, because we're focusing on retrieving deleted contacts, the next step involves accessing the action menu related to contact records. Find the Actions button or menu. It might be a drop down or a button with several options. Click it and you'll find the option labelled Restore Records. Opening this will lead you to the recycling bin area, which holds your deleted contacts awaiting recovery. Here in the recycling bin, you can view a list of contacts that have been deleted, browse through the list, perhaps sorting it if necessary, to locate the specific contact you wish to restore. Once you find it, simply select the contact by clicking the checkbox next to their name. With your contact selected, direct your attention to the next step, clicking the Restore button. This action will begin the recovery process, moving your contact from the deleted list back into your active contacts. You should receive a confirmation message indicating the restoration was successful. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully restored a deleted contact in HubSpot. Remember, keeping your contact list up to date is crucial for effective communication and customer relationship management. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit. Thanks for watching and have a great day managing your contacts in HubSpot.